In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Netflix on Discord without block screen. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Netflix on your browser and sign into your account. Now go ahead and open the Discord app on your device and sign into your Discord account. Now head over to the group where you want to share your screen to. Click on this and go ahead and click on the general as a voice channel. Go ahead and click on the go live button to start going live on Discord using your account. Now go ahead and head back to your Google Chrome browser. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen and click on settings to be able to head over to the settings page of your Chrome browser. Go ahead and click on the system button and disable use graphics acceleration when available. Go ahead and click on the relaunch button to relaunch your browser. Once your browser is relaunched, just go ahead and head over back to the Netflix page. Now in here, just go ahead and head over to your Discord application, and on Discord, just go ahead and head over to the user settings by clicking on the user settings icon. On the user settings, just go ahead and scroll down at the left side and look for voice and video. Once you find the voice and video section, just go ahead and click on the voice and video to be able to head over to the voice and video settings. And here, go ahead and scroll down and look for hardware acceleration. Go ahead and disable hardware acceleration for your Discord account to be able to view Netflix without block screen, since Netflix doesn't really allow users to share their screen on different platforms due to this setting. So just go ahead and look for hardware acceleration under the video settings. Scroll up and disable hardware acceleration. Now once you're done disabling this, click on the X button and head back in this page. Now just go ahead and click on the share your screen option, and now go ahead and select your Netflix webpage screen. Click on the go live button and you can start sharing your Netflix screen without block screen on Discord.